Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the technical analysis of the Forex market from the ForexPeaceArmy.com. Whole week we have talked about the euro currency, so today is Friday and I think that there's no sense to change our topic, and we will continue to discuss the euro. Besides, our yesterday's analysis looks like has come to life, so we will start from the daily time frame. As you remember, yesterday we said that the fact that market still holds below the 618 resistance from this swing down, from this high to this low, although market has penetrated it currently but closed below the 618 resistance from this swing down, makes me think that the bearish context of the euro currency is still intact, still valid, because here we have nice double repo sell pattern. This was just a retracement after the confirmation, and I think that the further move to the downside is just ahead of us. Well, what do we see also on the daily time frame? Take a look at the weekly pivot point. Market on this day close above it, and next day failed, close below it, and show some sign of some kind of bearish engulfing right here. Okay, so this is a bearish sign that market hasn't held above the weekly pivot point. Now we can see this A, B, C top pattern. Okay, first target right here, I think that it could be achieved even today, 135.20. The next target, 100% expansion, 133.85. This is possibly also will be reached by the market, but just above this area that I have told you already yesterday, we can see strong area of support. Daily confidence support 134.72, 134.79, weekly pivot support 1 right here, and monthly pivot point. Well, in general, maybe market will reach this area, but from the probabilities point of view, we should expect at least some bouncing from this area. Okay, so if you are already bearish and you have the short position, be careful, watch out for this possible bouncing from this area. Maybe tight stop, maybe close your position around this area and enter on some retracement from it, but be aware of possible bouncing from this area. I just want to warn you, because in perspective market I think should reach this area 133.85 and accomplish this ABCD pattern. Okay, but in the short term perspective, it could bounce, at least for the short term intraday charts, from this area, show some retracement before continuation or move to the downside. I think that during the first touch, during the first attempt to break out this area, market can meet some support right here. Okay, so that's my view on the daily time frame. In general, this nice bearish scenario currently is developing on the market. So let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, what we see right now. First of all, as you remember, I said that if market move below this area of support, that was yesterday's support, as you remember, 135.60, roughly area, this weekly pivot point, and this was the 4-hour confidence support, then it should continue move to the downside. Okay, and I said that the last confirmation will be when after the breakout of 136. So that has happened. Market take out all the major fib supports areas from this swing to the upside. Also, this is the 618 resistance from this whole swing down, and it stands. It held. So this really nice bearish move. Also, you can see that 4-hour trend turns bearish. What does it mean for us? Daily trend turns bearish. 4-hour trend turns bearish. It means that we now can enter, if you are not in the market still, so this is not too late for the possible entering on the short side. Okay, this means that you can enter on the shallow retracement from this racing swing to the downside, because both trends are bearish. you need some retracement to the upside for the possible enter on the short side. Besides, you can see that the trend will remain bearish until 137.05 currently. Okay, so it's a very large move for the possible trend shifting. So some retracement to the upside, you can possess yourself on the short side. Maybe you can even drop your time frame to the hourly chart, to the 30-minute chart, even to calculate the Fibonacci resistance areas and to enter on the short side. Also take a look that the nearest target 135.20 is very close, so possibly market will show some shallow retracement from after reaching this area. So possibly you can wait until market hit this area and show some retracement to the upside for the possible enter to the downside. Also take a look that the low at B point is very close to the 618 target, and I think that market makers will try to push the market lower to take stops just below these lows. Okay, that also could be the possible scenario for today's trading session. On the hourly chart, I want to show you some interesting patterns that are not very common on the markets, not well known. So first of all, here you can see the clear double repo failure on the hourly chart, how it usually looks like. Look at this nice thrust to the downside. Okay, close above the 3x3. 3x3 is green line, close below it, and close above here, right here, no mind. Well, what do we see then? Market has closed below the 618 support area from this swing. Okay, so with this bar, it means that this double repo has failed. And usually this is also the Jordan-Napley directional signal. If you see the double repo failure, then you can take this signal and enter in the opposite direction. So it means that you can enter on the short side. Okay, because this means that market is really have nice momentum to the downside. This is how usually double repo failure pattern looks like. Okay, the second interesting pattern that also is not well known on the market is the dynamic pressure. Look at this. This red line is the MACD predictor indicator. What we can see here, trend turns bullish. Okay, market has tried to move higher but failed here, and then it established bars with the lower lows or lower highs to the downside. Okay, but trend holds bearish. It means that the bearish dynamic pressure is building in this area, and it means that the bears are really strong currently on the market. Now we see the confirmation of this pattern. Market turns trend to the bearish. This also shows the strength of the bears on the market. So that being said, currently I think that the bearish scenario is still valid and is developing on the market. The nearest target 135.20, but market also can reach 133.85 area. Be aware of the 134.60 area, because this strong daily support market can show some bouncing from it, at least for the during the first attempt of breakout this area. Well, both trends are bearish now. Also, you can see that even the hourly trend is bearish, so you can use any shallow retracement. I think that hourly chart or 4-hour chart is suitable for this purpose to enter on the short side of the market with the target that we have discussed. Well, good luck to you. Possibly we can I wish you good enter today's trading session and make some pips from the market.